got her own land shark rolling. The Hot Rod Hunting Lawrence Brewer's got the gray goat out there. Fighting Tiger, whatever you want to call her there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the small car mini got to go, and we're ready to roll. Counting it down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag wave. Now the hitch one is with front-wheel drive cars. Try to remind everybody to make the airbags out. Where the hitch speed of weapons has been a field through the air, although we're hearing the holy cow! As the Hot Rod Hunting Lawrence Brewers gets on right off the bat. It comes right out after the geotracker. Minivan action. Oh! Up and over goes the tracker. Immediately everybody comes to a stop. Seven of Scott rolled over, lands. Nobody's worried about it. Scott out, and there we go. Out under his own power. Woo. Got a big other shooting again from the Tiger Shark of Lawrence Brewer. Weston's number 72 comes in to join the melee. No shot whatsoever for the 60 Cody Bruner. It looks like to be settled up between the minivan of Scott, Hot Rod Hunting, Lawrence Brewer, Tiger Shark. Whoa, Scott lines up! Takes the brewer machine on around. Weston's there to collect the BC action. Here's number 72. West comes around. Oh, under the nose shot as Brewer using the nose up against the back end of Scott. Now to use a good idea. Well, Scott's taking a miss. Going up there. Got her. Pops the truck open to the Weston machine. We found out he's got no spare back there, so they're not going to stop. And Brewer, though, continues to roll. He's sacrificing the nose. He goes back to hopefully the back end. Weston to 72. Takes on around, lines up. Oh, Brewer goes on nose first. Oh, Scott goes in there first, though. James Scott, Mad Dog, and through this one. James Weston caves in off the passenger side. And Weston takes the stick down for... No, wait a minute. Goes for the stick. Insurance shot there from Scott. Brewer comes in for BC action. Generally speaking, in the rough bushes, you reach for the stick. That's the same as breaking it. Keep the guy from reaching. There we go. And that's the Weston's going to take third place. This is going to be settled up between Scott's minivan and Brewer's Tiger Shark machine. And Brewer goes for the stick on Hurts for second. And James got the minivan is trying to win this thing. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, the coolest minivan in Columbus, Indiana. James Scott.